unfinished business that I have to take care of for the party and to make sure that the party is retained into power in 2016. We have a very heavy tax ahead of us. The 2016 election is very important for me. And I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do my best, like what I've been doing. Like I've always been saying, I've been so loyal to this great party of ours. I've been very dedicated to the cause of this party. And I'm very hardworking. And everybody knows of my capability. And this is it. This is the main reason.
But Alhaji, apart from campaigning for yourself, you're also campaigning for Kofi Adams. Why is this so? Because you are saying that you also have unfinished business to complete. Some other contenders will also say they have unfinished.
Well, they can have unfinished business, but my unfinished business has always been there. Like I've always been saying, I threw my support to Kofi for so many reasons. I told you when I met the delegates, I say he's a bulldozer, he's the type of person that will lead the national executive of America. And he's a man that I trust very much, and I think that he's the best person who can run the affairs of the party.
So Alhaji, finally, before we take leave of you, what are you going to tell the central delegates?
The central delegates, it's one message. They should do justice to this great party of ours. If they want this party to win in 2016, they must elect very credible candidates to run the affairs of this great party of ours. That's what I'm going to tell you. They should do justice. They should do what? They should look at the individual's productivity. They should see what the person is capable of doing for this great party. Not in terms of money, but in terms of hard work. And that is the type of candidate that we need. We don't need these soft candidates. We need somebody very strong who can really fight for the party.
You are perhaps singing the same song with the president. Is the president funding some of your campaign?
Nobody's funding my campaign. I'm really very I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know where this information is coming from. I'm funding my own campaign.
Thank you, Alan.